Hey there, all my Patreon supporters. I figured I'd take you into the darkroom today, which is a bit of a shambles. But before I do that, let me say, because I want to get the word out, my books have started shipping. So everybody who pre-ordered the book, you'll be getting it soon, real soon, within a week or so, I would figure. So that's great. Didn't get them all out today, but I got half of them out today. So that's awesome. Okay, so this is my darkroom, and I want to talk a little bit about film today. So, you know, film is one of these things where it definitely takes a lot of pre-planning. And my darkroom was operational, but it wasn't optimized, and well, not even optimized. It wasn't really set up completely. And I mean, it's a converted bathroom is what it is. It was a bigger bathroom, I have to admit. I've got plenty of space here. But it wasn't really a dark room, it was more of a bathroom, as you can tell by these grotty sinks over here. So the plan is, let me move you over here just a little bit. Okay. So the plan is I'm going to pull all this cabinetry and everything out, and I'm going to build a darkroom sink out of wood. And this is the boards for the sides of the darkroom sink. And back over here in the corner, well, over here's my Versa lab. I don't know if you see that. And over here, back there, you can just see a little piece of plywood. That's the bottom of the sink. And so, I mean, I've been buying these parts over the course of the past like 3 or 4 months because I've been planning on doing this project for a while. Now, there used to be a big garden tub over here. There's the drain pipe that hooks up to the drain that's going to go in the bottom of the sink. And then there's the faucet. This is my 4x5 Bessler enlarger. That's my Smith Victor enlarging stand that I use with the Intrepid 4x5 enlarging kit. So all that's still there. This is the exhaust fan. I've got that worked out. I built a box that's going to go, the fan's going to go in the window, and this box is going to go over the fan, keep the light out. And this hose thing here is going to go over the sink, so that I don't have to breathe the chemicals. I've got some plumbing over here in the corner to do. That's my amplifier, my Fender Deluxe Reverb, which I really enjoy playing. But that's not photography. And so I've been rounding up the tools and, you know, to do the different things that I need to do. I got some plumbing I need to take care of over there where the bathtub was. That's the next project. Cleaning the mess up is the first project. So, yeah. But I'm finally getting kind of all the tools together. And anyone who's ever done a project like this knows the hard part's getting the materials and the tools to the work site. And I've been taking my time because I'm like, okay, what do I need for this project, such and such. I mean, I already got the tub out and I got the piping piped off, and so it's not leaking everywhere, that kind of a thing. Got a big hole in the floor I have to patch. That I have to do that as well. And then I need to build the sink over here. I just tear this out, build the sink, put it in, 2x4 it in, and with a space on the end for the Versa Lab print washer. And it's going to be a great darkroom. Yeah, I bought this like 5-foot Delta sink for like $600, and then I saw a video on YouTube where I could make a sink out of wood with bilge paint. I ordered that. That came the other day. So that's boat bilge paint. It's chemical resistant, and if I paint the wood with that, it should be no problem at all. So that's the plan for the darkroom. And you know, once you get your darkroom organized and you get everything where it needs to be and you get everything, all your ducks in a row, so to speak, then film photography is really easy. This is the hard part. Really, the hard part's having the space to do something like this. And so I'm kind of lucky that I do have the extra space to put in a semi-permanent darkroom, which is cool. The sink is the big deal. And that sink will allow me to be able to, I'll be able to do up to 16x20s. So that'd be really nice. I really want to do 11x14s, 8x10s, that kind of thing. But every once in a while, you never know, it might be fun to do a 16x20. Anyway, so that's the plan. One of the other film projects I'm working on is I got some fine line tape, and I want to tape off 24 by 65 millimeters in the viewfinder of my 6x7. And then I want to tape off square, a couple of lines for square, a couple of lines for panoramic, and then I'll just shoot 120 film and compose panoramic or square, depending upon how I want to. And so that's my Pentax blot hack. For both, it turns my Pentax 6.7 into a Hasselblad square or a Hasselblad X-Pan, shooting 120 film, no problem, beauty. The only reason really to convert your 6.7 to 35 millimeter is to save money on the film, because you get about 18 or 19 panoramic shots on a roll of 36 35 millimeter film when you're shooting the X-Pan size shots in the 6.7, and you get 10 if you're shooting 120 film, and the 120 film is about $9 a roll, and 35 millimeter film is about $10 a roll, give or take $1 here or there. So, you know, it's a little bit of a savings there, but it's not that much. It's not the difference between 8x10 film and 4x5 film, which is $2.50 for 4x5 film black and white versus $8 a sheet for 8x10 film. Yow, that gets seriously spendy quick. So, but what a lot of fun it is. Anyway, so there's that. As far as my digital program is going, I kind of am playing with some different ideas for my digital stills photography. But that's a video for another day. So I've been back from the swamp for a week. I got another swamp video in the cooker that I'm working on for YouTube, and I got my darkroom project going. That's moving along at a glacial pace, but it's moving along. And I've got my film finder. I'll make a video on that, on how I do that, if it works at all. And so that's what I got in the pipeline so far. And I'm getting the books out, and very exciting. Anyway, so thanks for watching, and thanks for being a Patreon member. I really appreciate that. And check out my book, which is for sale and is now shipping. And that's on my website, link in the description below. And have a great one. And we'll see you guys later. Bye.